Unlocking Language, the Power of Pronouns. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into a fascinating part of grammar that's essential for fluid communication: pronouns. These little words carry big responsibilities, so let's get started. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. They help us avoid repetition and make sentences less cumbersome. Just imagine if we had to repeat someone's name every time we referred to them. It would be exhausting. Let's look at an example. Sarah went to Sarah's house to get Sarah's notebook. Sarah's notebook was in Sarah's room. Notice how the name, Sarah, is repeated and it sounds monotonous and repetitive. Now, let's use pronouns. Sarah went to her house to get her notebook. It was in her room. See the difference? Her and it are pronouns used instead of the noun, Sarah, and notebook. The sentence sounds much smoother, doesn't it? There are several types of pronouns. Each serves a unique function, and it's important to understand these to effectively communicate in English. Let's briefly run through them. 1. Personal pronouns. These refer to specific people or things. Examples include I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. 2. Possessive pronouns. These indicate ownership. Examples include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. 3. Reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. 4. Relative pronouns. These introduce relative clauses. Examples include who, whom, whose, which, and that. 5. Demonstrative pronouns. These identify or point to things. Examples include this, that, these, and those. 6. Interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. Examples include who, whom, which, and what. 7. Indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific people or things. Examples include anyone, everybody, and nothing. Remember, mastering the usage of these different types of pronouns will significantly enhance your English fluency. Pronouns must match the nouns they replace in terms of number, singular or plural, gender, male, female, or neutral, and case, subject or object. Making sure to choose the correct pronoun is crucial to clear communication. For example, incorrect. Each of the students must bring their own lunch. Here, each student is singular but their is plural. Correct. Each of the students must bring his or her own lunch. Using the correct pronouns not only makes your English more precise but also more professional and impressive. There you have it. Pronouns may seem small, but they're mighty in the world of language. Today, we've explored what pronouns are, the types of pronouns we have in English, and how to correctly use them. I hope you found this information helpful. Keep practicing, and soon using pronouns will become second nature to you. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to mastering the English language. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to our next session. Happy learning!